हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास 11th का टॉपिक लीनियर इक्वेशंस, लीनियर इनक्वालिटी, जो कि क्लास 11th का 6th चैप्टर एनसीईआरटी बुक्स का 6th चैप्टर है। नाउ अप टू 10th स्टैंडर्ड आपने पढ़ा है टॉपिक लीनियर इक्वेशंस। लीनियर इक्वेशंस मींस लीनियर इक्वेशन लाइक अप टू 10th स्टैंडर्ड वी रीड अबाउट लीनियर इक्वेशन, दैट इज ax plus by is equal to c. These terms are linear equations up to 10th standard. You read about this term. Now, linear inequalities. Inequality means अगर inequation symbol आ जाएगा means like ax plus by greater than c. कोई भी inequality symbol आ जाए greater than or less than, कोई भी inequality symbol आ जाएगा, then this term are known as linear inequations. Inequality symbol means linear inequation. Now, what is greater than or less than terms? Greater than terms means if we write x greater than 2, x greater than 2, read as a greater than 2, x is greater than 2. This symbol represent greater than. X is a number which is greater than 2. Second term, x is less than 2, x is less than 2, x is less than 2 means x is less than 2, normal number. Next term, x is greater than equal to 2, x is greater than equal to 2 means greater than or equal to 2. It is greater भी आ जाएगा और equal term भी आ जाएगी. Similarly, if we write x is, this term means x is less than or equal to 2. These are symbols for inequality. Repeat, means this symbol represent greater than, this symbol represent less than, this symbol represent greater than or equal to, this symbol represent less than or equal to. Clear? For inequality topic, first of all we discuss about intervals. Intervals. First term, intervals. For interval, the first interval is closed interval. The first interval is closed interval. The set of all real numbers, the set of all real numbers lying between a and b. The set of all real numbers lying between a and b, in which a and b are also included. In which a and b are also included. A भी आ जाएगा, b भी आ जाएगा and internal number भी आ जाएंगे. Means notation for this term is a closed b means we use rectangular bracket. We use rectangular bracket a closed b. Means on number line we represent as minus infinity to infinity. A to b number है in which end coordinates are also included. Means a भी include कर जाएगा, b भी include कर जाएगा. For end coordinates we use dark circles. Or mathematically we represent x lies between a and b, in which a and b are also included. In which a and b are also included. Now, if x lies between 2 and 3, it means we represent this term as a closed interval 2, 3. Means all the numbers lying between 2 and 3, all the numbers lying between 2 and 3, in which 2 and 3 are also included. 2 भी include करेगा, 3 भी include करेगा and internal numbers भी include करेंगे. Means if we draw a number line that is minus infinity to infinity. Minus infinity to infinity 2 and this side 3. Closed interval 2, 3 means all numbers lying between 2 and 3. Means 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 up to so on 2.999. And 2 and 3 are also included. 2 भी include करेगा, dark circle use करोगे, 3 भी include करेगा, dark circle use करोगे and internal numbers भी आ जाएंगे. Internal numbers and all numbers. For these terms we use x. X lies between 2 and 3 or we represent closed interval 2, 3. We represent closed interval 2, 3. I think clear है closed interval. Now, डिस्कस करोगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ओपन इंटरवल. ओपन इंटरवल देखो स्टूडेंट, ओपन इंटरवल meaning of open interval. The set of all real numbers lying between a and b in which a and b are not included. Main word is not included. In last, in closed interval, a and b are included, but in this term, a and b are not included. For this term, we use circular bracket a comma b. Circular bracket a comma b, and x lies between a and b, but included नहीं है. चेक करो, a भी included नहीं है and b भी included नहीं है, मतलब equality, no inequality. And on number line, we represent all terms lying between a and b, but a and b are open. We use blank circles. For example, if we write open interval 2, 3, open interval 2, 3, it means x lies between 2 and 3. X lies between 2 and 3 means it starts from 2.1 and end at 2.999. 2 भी नहीं आएगा and 3 भी नहीं आएगा. Means x lies between 2 and 3. X lies between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. In which 2 and 3, both the terms are open. 2 and 3 are not included, but all the numbers between these terms means start from 2.11, 2.001 and up to 2.999 numbers आ जाएंगे. This term represent open interval. Clarity है. Open interval means end coordinates are not included. Closed interval means end coordinates are included. Now, properties of inequalities. Normal properties of inequalities. बहुत basic हैं students. If we add or subtract by same number, on both sides of inequality, then there is no change in the inequality. कोई भी inequality है students. If a is greater than b है, if we add any number, same number, both sides, there is no change in the inequality. If we add or if we subtract, add करो और subtract करो, there is no change in the inequality. For example, if we write 5 is greater than 2. If we add 3 both sides, this is 5 plus 3 and 2 plus 3. 8 greater than 5. 8 greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. This term 8 is greater than 5 means number यूज हो जाएगा. क्लियर है टर्म? कुछ भी ऐड करोगे, कुछ भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, सेम इनइक्वालिटी आएगी. नो चेंज इन द इनइक्वालिटी. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, if we multiply or divide by positive number on both sides of inequality, multiply करो और divide करो, then there is no change in the inequality. For example, if we have a is greater than b, if we multiply by same number both sides, means if we multiply by positive number, inequality same आ जाएगी. No change in the inequality. For example, 5 is greater than 2 है. Multiply by 2 करोगे, then 10 is greater than 4. Same inequality आ जाएगी. Means no change in the inequality. But in next property, if we multiply or divide by negative number, on both side of the inequality, both side negative number multiply करोगे, then signs of inequality is reversed. Means a greater than b है. If c is negative हो जाए, in this case c is positive, we multiply by a positive number in first term. If we multiply by negative number, if c is negative, then AC BC inequality AC BC हो जाएगा, but inequality change हो जाएगी. For example, same example, 5 is greater than 2 है. If we multiply by minus 2, then this expression is -10 and this term is -4. Inequality change हो जाएगी, -4 is because -4 is greater than -10. Clear है? कोई doubt? Next properties. Next property. If A by B greater than C by D, general term है, A by B greater than C by D, if B and D are of same sign, means if denominator sign same है, then normal cross multiplication हो जाएगा. Means normal cross multiplication means AD is greater than BC. AD is greater than BC. Simple multiplication, cross multiplication. Second term, if B and D are of opposite sign, अगर one term is positive and other is negative आ जाए, 5 minus 2, 3 minus 5. One term is positive and other is negative, then cross multiplication is possible. Cross multiplication possible है, करोगे cross multiplication, but inequality change करोगे, inequality change करोगे. Same reason जो back ऊपर की तरह, same reason. Multiply by negative symbol, then inequality change हो जाएगी. If we multiply by negative symbol, then inequality change हो जाएगी. Therefore, अगर denominator signs different है, means one positive and other is negative, cross multiplication हो जाएगा, inequality change हो जाएगी. If both the signs are same, then AD is greater than BC. Clear है students? Now, NCERT problems. Solve. बिल्कुल simple question. Solve 3 bracket x minus 1 less than is equal to 2x minus 3. Multiply करो, simplify करो students. बहुत simple question. This is 3x minus 3 less than is equal to 2x minus 6. 2x minus 6. This term represents 3x minus 2x less than is equal to minus 6 plus 3. This number is x is less than is equal to minus 3. X is less than is equal to minus 3. X less than minus 3 है. Now, this term is your final answer, but represent in interval form. Interval form represent करोगे students. Interval form means number line है minus infinity to infinity, minus 3. If x is less than term, then we use left side. For greater than term, we use right side. In this case, left side आएगा because this is less than. For this term, x is less than minus 3 means x is this part. Less than is equal to minus 3 means minus 3 include हो जाएगा. Minus 3 include हो जाएगा. Therefore, we use final answer as a minus infinity comma minus 3. Minus infinity comma minus 3. Answer minimum to maximum लिखना है. Minimum to maximum answer, that is minus infinity to minus 3. Infinity is always open. Infinity countable term नहीं है. Therefore, it is always open means minus infinity to minus 3 is your final answer. Clear है students? Now, next term. Simple question. Solve this term. NCERT question again. Normal multiplication करो students. Multiplication करो, then cross multiplication. This term is 3x minus 6 whole divided by 5 less than is equal to 10 minus 5x whole divided by 3. Whole divided by 3. Cross multiplication करो बेटा. Cross multiplication. This is 9x minus 18 less than is equal to 50 minus 25x. 50 minus 25x. Now, shift करोगे students. This term is equal to 9x plus 25x less than is equal to 50 minus plus 18. 50 plus 18. Clear है students? Now, 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is 34x. This term is 34x 34x is less than is equal to 50 plus 18 is 68. Now, x is less than is equal to 68 by 34. 68 by 34 is written as 2. X is less than is equal to 2. Less than is equal to 2 means on number line interval form represent karoge. In interval form, this term is infinity minus infinity. Less than 2 means this part. Now, final answer we represent in interval form. This is minus infinity comma 2. This term is your final answer. Clear hai students? Now, next question. Similar question is simple question. देखो students. Multiply. This term is normal cross multiplication करो students. This term represent 5 minus 3x less than is equal to 4. 5 minus 3x is less than is equal to 4. Normal question. Minus shift करोगे, this term is 3x less than 4 minus 5 means minus 3x is less than is equal to minus 1. Minus 3x is less than is equal to minus 1. Now, minus directly cancel नहीं करोगे, inequality problem आएगी. We multiply by minus 1 both side. Multiply by minus 1 both side. Multiply करोगे, then inequality change हो जाएगी. Inequality हो जाएगी 3x is greater than is equal to 1. Multiply by minus 1 करना है, that means inequality change. Therefore, x is greater than is equal to 1 upon 3. X is greater than is equal to 1 upon 3. Now, greater than 1 by 3 है, then 1 by 3. Greater than equal to means right side. Less than means left side. In this case, greater than has students on right side. Means final answer is 1 by 3 to infinity is your final answer. 1 by 3 to infinity. 1 by 3 start to infinity. This term is your final answer. कोई doubt students? Means from this question clear है कि negative term directly cancel नहीं करोगे. We use multiply by 1 minus 1 both side, then sign reciprocal हो जाएगा. Clear है students? Now, next question. Again NCERT question. काफी इजी क्वेश्चन. सिंपल एलसीएम यूज करो, देन सिंप्लीफिकेशन करो, सिंपल आंसर आ जाएगा. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? ट्राई करो. डिनोमिनेटर टर्म इज 6, एलसीएम आ जाएगा 6. न्यूमिनेटर टर्म 6x प्लस x प्लस 6x प्लस 3x. सॉरी, दिस टर्म इज 6x प्लस 3x प्लस 2x less than 11. This term is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11x. This number is 11x is less than 66. X is less than 6. X is less than 6 हो जाएगा. Divide by 11 करोगे, then x is less than 6. Normal है, आंसर आ जाएगा. बस x is less than 6 means this is answer. Interval form लिखोगे, in interval form this term represent x is less than 6 means minus infinity comma 6 is your final answer. In this case, minus infinity comma 6 is your final answer. Clear है term? Now, next question. Check करो students. Denominator term, one term is minus and other is positive. Minus plus, अगर different signs हैं, cross multiplication जाएगा. Cross multiplication is possible in this case, but inequality change हो जाएगी. Inequality change हो जाएगी means normal cross multiplication करो students. 4 3 minus 2x 4 3 minus 2x inequality change greater than is equal to minus 5 into 2 plus 3 minus 5 into 2 plus 3x. Now, this term represents 12 minus 8x greater than is equal to minus 10 minus 10 minus 15x. 5 3 15x. Shift करो students. This term represent minus 8x. X shift करोगे this side 15x greater than is equal to minus 10 minus 12. Number is 7x is greater than is equal to minus 22. 7x is greater than is equal to minus 22. Now, x is greater than, normal shift करोगे x is greater than 7 shift हो जाएगा, 7 shift हो जाएगा, it means 7 shift करोगे, it means x is greater than is equal to minus 22 by 7. X is greater than minus 22 by 7. Now, minus infinity to infinity term है, minus infinity to infinity term है, minus 22 by 7 greater than मतलब this side means final answer is minus 22 by 7 to infinity. Minus 22 by 7 to infinity is your final answer. कोई doubt है? Clear है term? Now, easy question है. Next question. Next term is intersection. Intersection. Normal intersection clear है according to sets. Intersection means common of two parts. Common of two parts. Intersection represented by this symbol or for we use for both terms. We use for both terms. For example, in questions, if we write x lies between, for example, we use question x lies between 5 to 7 and x lies between 4 to 10. X lies between 4 to 10. Now its common part is, common part, students check karo, common part is, this common part is minus infinity, between minus infinity to infinity. Number use karo according to number line in ascending order. First term is 2, then 4, then 7, then 10. 2, 4, 7, 10. From 2 to 7, 2 included, 7 included. Both the terms are included, 2 to 7. Then 4 to 10. 4 to 10 means 4 to 10. 10 open. Circular bracket. Equality nahi hai. Therefore, we use circular bracket. 10 is not included. Now, common of both the terms. Common part. Common part. Check karo common part. Green and white line. Common area is this part. This part is your common area. And this term is known as intersection. Common area from 4 to 7. The common area is from 4 to 7. Therefore, intersection answer is, our intersection answer is 4 to 7. 4 closed, 7 closed. Both terms are closed. This term is known as intersection. Common of both the term is known as intersection. Clear hai students? Now, question based on intersection means if two inequalities are given, two different inequalities are given, simplification karo, and after simplification, intersection is your final answer. After simplification, intersection is your final answer. This term is 3x minus 5 greater than is equal to 4, first equation. And second equation, 2x minus 3 by 5 less than is equal to 3. Less than is equal to 3. Multiplication karo students. 3x is greater than 9. X is greater than is equal to 3. 9 upon 3 is 3. X is greater than is equal to 3. And in this part, 2x minus 3 is less than is equal to 15. 2x is less than is equal to 18. X is less than is equal to 9. X is less than is equal to 9. This term is x is greater than equal to 3, x is less than is equal to 9. Now, common of these two terms is your final answer. Common of these two part is your final answer. Common part check karo. Intersection part is your final answer. In this case, in first term, 3 and 9. 3 and 9. X is greater than 3. X is greater than is equal to 3. X is greater than is equal to 3. And X is less than is equal to 9. X is less than is equal to 9. Now common of both the part. Common part is this part. Common part is this part. And this is your final answer. Intersection means 3 to 9. Intersection means 3 to 9 is your final answer. 3 to 9 final answer. Without students. Clear? Now, next question, similar question. 2 ब्रैकेट x माइनस 1 टर्म डबल इक्वेशन है, एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन करो, कॉमन आंसर आ जाएगा. कॉमन टर्म, दिस टर्म रिप्रेजेंट 2x minus 2 is less than x plus 5. And second term, 3x plus 6 greater than 2 minus x. Double equations है. Simplify करो students. This term is 2x minus x less than 5 plus 2. X is less than 7. First answer. X is less than 7. Clear hai students? Now second term. 3x is plus x greater than 2 minus 6. This term is 4x is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 1. X is greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1 first part, x less than 7 second part. Now intersection means common part is your final answer. Intersection term find out karo students. Intersection part is, this term is minus 1, 7. Greater than minus 1, less than 7. And the common part is your final answer. Common part is your final answer. And the common part is minus 1 to 7. This is your minus 1 to 7 is your intersection part. This term is minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 comma 7 is your intersection and the final answer of this question. This term is final answer of the question. Now, next question. Bilkul same question. Again NCERT question, same question. Now, in this question, 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. First part, 2x minus 12. And in second term, 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. 3x minus 2x greater than minus 12 plus 7. X is greater than minus 5. This is your first part answer. X is greater than minus 5. In second part, minus x plus 2x greater than 11 minus 6. This term is x is greater than 5. X is greater than 5. Now, check karo students. X is greater than 5. Now, common of both the term is your final answer. Common of both the terms. Common part is your final answer. Common part is minus 5, 5. Greater than minus 1, first answer greater than minus 5, second answer greater than 5. Now common of both the terms. Common part is this part is your common term and the common term is your final solution. Common term is your final solution. Therefore intersection is 5 to infinity. 5 open आएगा, infinity is always open. Infinity countable term नहीं है, always open. Clear है students? Now, next question. Statement sums, NCERT question. The marks obtained by a student of class 11 in first and second terminal examinations are 62 and 42 respectively. Find the number of minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of at least 60 marks. At least means minimum 60 marks. At least means minimum 60 and At least word means minimum 60. At least means minimum 60. Minimum word. Least word means minimum. At most means maximum. Now in this question, marks of first and second terminal examinations are 62 and 48. First term exam. First terminal marks. First term exam has 62 marks. In second term marks 48. In first term examination 62, in second term 48. In third term, number of marks are x. First term 62, second term 48. Assume that in third term exams, in third terminal examination, he scored x marks. And to find average, to have an average means average find out करोगे by dividing number of subject, means average of marks. Average means to find average we use 62 plus 48 plus x whole divided by 3. Average find out हो जाएगी, total number of subjects divide marks, the sum of marks obtained divided by total number of subjects. Sum of marks and divided by total number of subjects. At least means minimum, more than means more than 60. Minimum mark 60 है, that is more than 60. Now 62 plus 48, this term is 110 plus x greater than is equal to 180. Greater than is equal to 180. Therefore, x is greater than is equal to 70. X is greater than is equal to 70. X is greater than is equal to 70. Means minimum marks score करेगा student in third examination. Minimum marks he should score in third examination is 70 marks. 70 marks. Means if students score 70 or more than 70, then he obtained average marks at least 60. Clear hai students? Next question. Find all the pairs of consecutive or natural numbers. Find all the pairs of consecutive or natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. Both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. Means find all pairs of consecutive odd natural number. Odd. Assume that let first odd number. Assume karo first odd number is x. If first odd number is x, then second odd number. If first odd number is 3, then second is 5. If first is 7, then second is 9. If first is 11, then second is 13. Means gap of two consecutive odd number is 2. That is, we use x plus 2. Now, according to question, both of which are larger than 10. Both of which are larger than 10. Means first term is larger than 10, first term is greater than 10. And second term is also greater than 10, because both of which are larger than 10. Both of which are larger than 10. And such that their sum is less than 40. Such that their sum is less than 40. Means sum of two numbers is less than 40. Both of which are larger than 10 and sum is less than 40. Sum is less than 40. First term plus second term. Sum is less than 40. Less than 40. Now, x is greater than 10 hai. X greater than 10 hai. Shift karo, x is greater than 10 minus 2, 8. X is also greater than 8. And third term 2x plus 2 2x प्लस 2 शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, 2 शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, दिस टर्म इज लेस देन 38. 40 minus 2 is 38. This term is written as 38. Therefore, x is less than 90. X is less than 90. Clear, students? Now, x lies between 8 intersection. Now, intersection of all the terms is common term. Intersection part. Intersection part is your final answer. Intersection part is your final answer. Intersection of all this term this is infinity minus infinity to infinity. First number is 8, second term is 10, next term is 19. Now, greater than 8, first term, this term x is according to this term greater than 8, according to this term greater than 10, according to this term number less than 19. Less than 19. Then common of all the three parts, common part, this and this, जो common part आ जाएगा, this part is 10 to 19 is your common part. 10 to 19 is your common part, means x final answer lies between 10 to 19. But final answer है odd number. Odd number between 10 to 19 is your final answer because first odd number numbers find out करने हैं. First odd number is x and x lies between 10 and 19. Therefore, first odd number is final answer. First odd number means value of x. First odd number is 11. Second odd number 15, 13. Third odd number 15. Next odd number 15. Next odd number 17. And first odd means value of x. Second odd means x plus 2. Second odd means x plus 2. And this term is, if value of x is 11, then value of x plus 2 is 13. 13, then this term is 15. 15, then this term is 17. 17, then this term is 19. These are odd numbers, possibilities for odd numbers. And the final solution. Clear है students? बहुत easy concept है. कुछ बेसिक्स जो मैंने डिस्कस किए इस वीडियो के अंदर, काफी बेनिफिशियल हो गया आपके लिए वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.